Hi friends, I'm Tilak, watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to set who can reply to the post to anyone in your Threads application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to set who can reply to anyone in the Threads for your Threads application. So for an example, here my profile picture. So I just need to make this to reply for anyone. So you just click on this three dot on the post. Now you will see an option called who can reply. Just click this, and here it is on the profile you follow, or it might be mentioned only. You just can click on the anyone option. Now it will allows everyone to have a reply on your threads or the post that you have been posted on your Threads application. This is how you just change. Just click on this three dot, just click on the who can reply and just change to anyone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. If you're having any doubt about the Threads application, you just follow this channel and comment below. I will make a video about it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.